Welcome to the Art and Craft Tinkering Lab, a place where your creativity takes center stage and your hands work the magic. Whether you want to paint, sculpt, fold, glue, or stitch, this is your playground for exploring all things creative. Imagine this. Create a masterpiece using paints, brushes, and even your fingers. Design fun, quirky crafts like bookmarks or DIY jewelry. Bring your imagination to life with clay, fabric, cardboard, and anything else you can get your hands on. You get to experiment, play, and explore. Whether it's bold, messy, colorful, or simple, every creation is uniquely yours. But that's not all. We've got loads of inspiring ideas and creative challenges waiting for you. Want to try a new art style? Challenge yourself to upcycle old items? Or maybe invent something no one's ever seen before? We're here to spark your imagination and cheer you on. So are you ready to paint the world in your favorite colors, craft magical creations out of everyday materials, turn your ideas into beautiful art that you can proudly show off? Are you game? Gather your tools, dive into our treasure chest of inspiration, and let your creativity shine. Because in the Art and Craft Tinkering Lab, you're the artist, and the possibilities are endless. Let's create, craft, and make something extraordinary together.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.